This website has paid out approximately $1 billion in earnings to contributors that upload photos and pictures to this website. And this is a breakdown of how much paid out to people from different countries. People from Europe to Asia, North America and Africa were approximately paid $1 billion from one single website. One good thing I like about this website is that no matter where you're from, you can earn in this website. Amazing, right? Just with a few minutes of your time, I will show you how you can start earning a passive income for yourself from this website just by uploading photos. And if you stay with me till the end of this video, I will show you another website where you can start getting pictures that you can upload on this website for free. The amazing thing about this website is that you can withdraw your earnings through different payment methods. You can get paid directly to your local bank account, through PayPal and also through Secrete. And to make money with this method, you have to follow these 3 steps that I will share with you right now. In step 1, I'm going to share with you the website that will pay you for uploading pictures. Then step 2, I'm going to show you the website where you get free pictures that you can upload on the first website and get paid. Then the final step, which is the 3rd step, you are going to get paid, and it is simple as that. So the first step is the website where you will be getting paid for uploading pictures. So the name of the website is if you are seeing my video for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Joseph and I'm very concerned about helping you make money online in the easiest way. In this channel I make videos on how to make money online, personal growth and everything money. So if you follow my strategies today, you will definitely make money for yourself. So the first website right here is shooterstock.com. But before we get into it, smash that subscribe button below if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. Hit that like button to help you upgrade him and turn on your notification bell so that YouTube can get you notified anytime I drop a video. So this is the interface of homepage of shooterstock.com. This website is simply a stock photo website, and how this website works, people come here to buy images, photos, b-rolls, that is video clips. You see all those faceless YouTube channel that uses video footage. Those video clips are gotten from this website. People come here and purchase every form of photographic material that they need. People subscribe to this website monthly and annually for a limited number of pictures that they can download. So out of this money, shooterstock.com pays a percentage to the contributors, which is you and I that upload these pictures and videos here. You can equally be paid for simply uploading pictures on this website the same way you do on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook or any other social platform. So to sign up, you click on sign up here. You put in your name, your full name, put in the name that you want it to be showing on this website, put your email address, you put your password, then you click I'm satisfied, then you click next. That is, you have registered with this website and you will start making money from it. So how can you get photos to upload on this website? Remember I told you guys that you can upload pictures that you did not literally take by yourself, and that brings us to step 2, which is the website where you can get photos for free, then upload on shooterstock.com and get paid. The 2 websites are pixels.com and pixbay.com. So in this website you can download any type of photos and images or videos. Just type the keyword of the kind of photos or images or videos that you want, and photos or videos that represent the keyword will pop up. For example, people, let's say I want to type people praying. As you can see here, all these video clips represent the keyword I search. Then download these photos and videos and upload them on shooterstock.com, and you'll start making money anytime somebody download this video. If you have a nice smartphone that has a nice camera, you can take pictures in places like church, offices and upload. Whenever someone download the pictures, you get paid. Finally, if this video was helpful, please subscribe and comment down below as you have subscribed, and thank you for watching. See you in next video.